As a trainer, it's important to realize that the success of any particular session depends on how calm and confident the trainer himself or herself is. The mind must be calm and relaxed before you get into any particular session. The voice is very important and has to carry a soothing effect in order to have the maximum impact on the person in front of you. We should be flexible and should be ready to change course depending on the situation and depending on where he or she is going. Because remember, this is not a guided tour where we have fixed times, destinations and spots. It's an exploratory journey, and more often than not, the unexpected is the norm. Thank you.